In this video, we're going to be looking at anti-friction bearings. By the end of the video, you're going to know what an anti-friction bearing is, as well as a rolling element bearing, a rolling bearing, and a rolling contact bearing. An anti-friction bearing consists of rolling elements, a separator, an inner ring, an outer ring, and sometimes a shield or a seal. You're now looking at a cross-section of a ball bearing. Let's take the bearing apart and look at each of its parts individually. This particular bearing uses balls as the rolling elements. Anti-friction bearings utilize one stationary ring and one rotating ring. The rotating ring is usually the inner ring, which is connected to a shaft. The stationary ring is usually the outer ring. As the shaft rotates, the inner ring also rotates, as do the rolling elements. Notice that the movement of the shaft is not transferred to the stationary ring. Typical lubricants for anti-friction bearings are grease and oil. Grease contains oil, although a thickening agent is added to make the lubricant adhere to the bearing's internal surfaces. Thickening agents are usually soap or non-soap based. Some bearings may be installed with a metal shield, which protects the bearing to some degree from foreign particle ingress, which may contaminate the lubricant inside the bearing. If the internals of the bearing must be completely sealed from the outside, then a seal will be used instead of a shield. Seals are usually manufactured from rubber or Teflon. The rolling elements are evenly spaced apart. We can view the final two pieces, the inner ring and the outer ring. One of the reasons that learning about bearings is so confusing is because many of the components all have several names. An inner ring is also known as an inner race. On tapered bearings, it will also be known as a cone.